บางคนทนอย่างการปรับปรุง YouTube ได้ไม่เป็นการมันเด้บ่าสาการบันทีนี้คือออมเหมือนกันบางคนคืออาจล็อกสกรีนบ้านอาจ play YouTube เป็นกิจกรรมบ้านให้หนึ่งมือช็อตวิดีโอออมเป็นกิจกรรมเป็นอะไรอย่างเงี้ยบางคนสาการบันทีนี้ต่อถึงโชว์มือการบันทีนี้บางคนนี่การบันทีนี้คือมีรูปเรียงแบบนี้ยัง play YouTube อ่ะออมเป็นเจ้าเป็นกิจกรรมนะมออย่างเงี้ยเลยบ่าท่านนี้ยังล็อกสกรีนบ่าสมมติยังล็อกสกรีนให้เวลา play บ้านเดี๋ยวบ่าเขาเนี้ยยังดับเดือดตีฮอถ้ายัง play ศาสนาไอ้เรื่องเซ็งสดับทอสดับเตะไอ้เนาะมองบัดออกมองบ่าchẳng là lỡ dương tầm cầm thi năng bà cầm thi năng mua ấy chẳng mong ôn còn là mới cầm thi năng mua thằng pro tube mà so PROTUBE nó pro tube mong ôn ở cái còn là mơ nó không rồi nó không App Store bà rồi nó không App Store hết mong ôn còn là vay bị so pro tube bà so PROTUBE បាទបងប្អូនក៏វាយកម្មវិធីនឹងមកវានឹងចេញហើយលើចាំមកផ្លេតបាទបងវាយបាទហើយកម្មវិធីនឹងរៀងក្រហមសនេះកម្មវិធីនេះផ្ទៃខាងក្រោយប៉សហើយក្រហមហ្នឹងមើលយើងមើលហើយចំពោះខ្ញុំដោនឡូតហើយខ្ញុំចុច open បាទអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវខ្ញុំចុចម្ដងទៀតបាទបងប្អូនខ្ញុំចូលកន្លែង App Store mìnhម្ដងទៀតណាឧទាហរណ៍ថាបងប្អូនដោនឡូតហើយបងប្អូន open មកបាទហើយវាមានអក្សរ YouTube ខាងលើនេះយើងចុច YouTube ហ្នឹងមកឃើញកម្មវិធីហ្នឹងហើយនឹងលេងកម្មវិធីតាមចិត្តនេះmìnhចុច play នេះអត់មានជាប់អីសោះបាទអត់មានជាប់នៃកម្មណារំខានទេស្រួលមែនតើបាទកម្មវិធីនេះប្រើយូរហើយអត់មានចេះមាន error អីអត់ទេស្រួលមែនតើបងប្អូននេះឃើញខ្ញុំ lock screen ហើយនៅស្ដាប់បានធម្មតាតែនេះគាត់ខ្ញុំបិទសំឡេងណាខ្ញុំមិនឲ្យជាប់ copyright បាទចឹងមើល short បាទមើល short ឃើញអូសចោះអូសឡើងអត់មានជាប់ឯណាណៃញ៉ៃទេបាទចឹងបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាយល់យ៉ាងណាចំពោះវីដេអូនេះបាទបងប្អូនបើសិនជាគិតថាវីដេអូនេះល្អអ្នកនរគ្នាកុំភ្លេចជួយ follow like comment និង share វីដេអូនេះទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទសង្ឃឹមថាវីដេអូក្រោយៗគឺខ្ញុំធ្វើនឹងវីដេអូណាដែលល្អសម្រាប់អ្នកនរគ្នាបាយអរគុណច្រើនអ្នកនរគ្នា